Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. Right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market of 2022. We've been seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market on a weekly and on a monthly time frame. How high can Kusama go in this bear market rally? Where are key support levels we should pay attention to for Kusama in the bear market? We've been seeing Kusama dump from the all-time high we set in 2021 May, where it was trading above $600. In the bear market, it has dumped more than 94%, getting to as low as $32. If we are going to get any rally in this bear market, we are going to see Kusama face some resistance at some important levels. We'll be looking at those levels. How high can Kusama go in the bear market? We'll also be talking about that. We'll be taking a look at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kusama's performance. We'll also be looking at Kusama's market cap. We've seen the market cap drop to as low as $308 million in the bear market. In the previous video, we talked about how high Kusama's market cap can go, maybe getting to as high as $21 billion by the end of the next bull run. Right now in the bear market, if Kusama is pumping to higher valuations, where are we going to find significant resistance? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. If you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. If you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Legend Crypto and follow us on all social media platforms at Mr. Legend Crypto. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a green month in the altcoin market. If we go on a weekly time frame, altcoins actually pumping. We have ARWave up 35%, Matic up 29%. We have BNB up 7%. Even the king of the market, Bitcoin, is having a green week. But Kusama has not been pumping in this bear market relief rally we're having. Kusama is still down bad in the bear market, dropping 15.3% in the last 1 month and is down 91.7% in the last 1 year. For us to get to higher prices, we'll have to face some resistance along the way. When Kusama was pumping in the bull run, we saw it shooting to new all-time highs pretty quickly. Kusama went from trading from as low as $0.9, getting to as high as over $600. More than a 550x return on your investment if you got some Kusama in the bull run. But you can see Kusama really had a good time to the upside, steadily just pumping without any major dip, going up in that time frame more than 63,000%. Now the dump is here for Kusama. We're deep in the bear market. It has been dumping since when it topped at that $600 region. Important levels I'll be paying attention to for Kusama in this bear market. First, the lowest we've seen Kusama trade since when the bear market started, around this $32.64 level. This will be a very key level for Kusama in this bear market. There's always that chance we might see Kusama even dropping to as low as $23 in the bear market. For Kusama to drop that low in this bear market where we're trading right now, from where we're trading right now, Kusama will have to drop another 35%, which is very possible in the bear market. All coins can drop really low very, very quickly. If you take a look at what's happening in the altcoin market in the last 1 year, all coins are down really bad. So I won't be surprised to see them drop another further 20 or 30%. But guys, the fact that all coins are down really bad in the last 1 year, including Kusama, is the main reason why you want to be accumulating them in the bear market. If you're a long-term investor, if you believe we're going to see Kusama trading to new all-time highs at some point in time in the future, getting some Kusama right now, if it gets back to the previous all-time high, a $1,000 investment in Kusama should return more than 1,500%. A $1,000 should turn to over $15,000 if you're one of those investors that is willing to buy right now in the bear market and wait for Kusama to get to the previous all-time high. But before we get to that all-time high, we might be facing some key resistance at some important levels. First level will be this $45 region. We saw Kusama holding that level for majority of June, July, and even as late as September. We finally lost that level in September 2022. We saw Kusama drop to as low as $32. So when we see Kusama's price rally back to this $45 region, I won't be shocked to see Kusama face some little resistance at that level. You can see what Kusama did here in December 2020 before we started pumping to higher prices. We came back to test that $45 region just to make sure ready to leave that price range. I won't be shocked if that range holds us down in this bear market and we see Kusama trading around $45, bounce back to $32, maybe even lose $32, go to as low as $23. But if we see Kusama trading above this $45 region in the bear market, the next important level to pay attention to for Kusama in the bear market will be what the price will be doing around the $58.9 region to the $68 region. This will be under critical range for Kusama. If we leave the $45 range, we'll be seeing how long it will take us to break the $66, $68 region. We got there in August 2022. Kusama was trying to rally to higher prices after we dumped Goblin Town, getting to as low as $45, but we got rejected around that $66, $67 region. So these are another key level to pay attention to. So two levels we should be paying attention to right now is the $45 region. If Kusama can rally up to as high as $45, we should pay attention to what the price will be doing there, because if we get rejected, it means we're just going back to Goblin Town. If we're lucky in the bear market, we see Kusama continue going to higher prices, that $66 region might be a very important region. But just the fact that we're in the bear market doesn't mean we're going to see some rallies. For Kusama to even get to that $66 region, it will have to go up 82%. What if Kusama continues pumping to higher prices just like Dogecoin did, and we see it rally to as high as $115? That will mean Kusama will be up more than 200% from where it's currently trading right now. But guys, there's another strong resistance level at that $115 region. When Kusama was done, it continued pumping, going to new all-time highs. But we came back to that region again when we were in Goblin Town. This was the 5th of March 2022. As Kusama was dumping to Goblin Town, we found support around that region, pumping to as high as $202. This is the final resistance level we should pay attention to for Kusama in this bear market. If we see Kusama trading above the $202 region, guys, we're officially out of the bear market for Kusama, because from where we're currently even trading right now, for us to get to that $203 region, Kusama has to go up over 400%. Is that possible in the bear market? Guys, there's always a possibility of that happening, but you want to temper your expectations. The bear market is always brutal to altcoins, and that's what's happening right now. The bear market is when you want to be accumulating, because millionaires are made in the bear market. If you can get some Kusama right now and wait for it to get into new all-time highs in the future, you will be happy you did. If you take a look at some details about Kusama, in the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $518. We've seen this altcoin go from as high as $518 to as low as $31.96. With a market cap of $304 million, Kusama has a fully diluted market cap of $351 million. We have over 8.4 million KSM in circulation, and Kusama is currently ranked 113 on CoinMarketCap because we have over 258,000 people that have Kusama on their watch list. Self-described by Polkadot Wild Cousin, Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same amount of codebase as Polkadot and one of the most successful interoperable blockchains. Where can you get some Kusama if you want to get some to hold through the bear market? If you believe we're going to see this project set new all-time highs in the future, you can get some Kusama on Binance, on KuCoin, on Wobi Global, on Kraken, on Coinbase Exchange, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoin. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, the bull run was very kind to Kusama. If you invested in Kusama on the 9th of February 2020, you got to ride Kusama up to the moon, outperforming Bitcoin in the process by over 13,000%. If you had invested one of your Bitcoin in Kusama in February 2020, guys, by the end of the bull run for Kusama against Bitcoin in May 2021, your one Bitcoin would have returned over 136 Bitcoins. But right now, deep in the bear market, Kusama is down, losing 88% of its value against Bitcoin. Can we go any lower in the bear market? Guys, there's always that possibility we might see Kusama continue dumping against Bitcoin in the bear market. Because as I told you guys earlier, when we're deep in the crypto bear market, a lot of people run towards safety. And for us in the crypto market, that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. When the bull run comes back, when people are ready to buy all the altcoins, you would have bought already, getting a very good price in the bear market. So when everybody's shouting to the moon, we're going to the moon, you will just be sitting back, relaxing, and allowing the market do the work for you while you count all your profits. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against Ethereum, it's similar to its price performance against Bitcoin. Dropping really low in the bear market, we've seen Kusama go down more than 92% against Ethereum in the bear market, and that's normal. For Kusama to get to new all-time highs against Ethereum when the bull run comes around, it will have to outperform Ethereum by over 1,300%. Is that possible? Guys, that's very, very possible. We have seen Kusama pump to the moon before, From February 2020 till May 2021, Kusama outperformed Ethereum by over 6,900%. And also take a look at Kusama's market cap chart. The market cap for Kusama has dropped to as low as $308 million. I won't be shocked to even see the market cap come back to test this $200 million region. This might be where we bottom in the bear market for Kusama. There's always that possibility. We've already dumped low in the bear market, from the market cap going from as high as $5 billion. We've seen it get to as low as $278 million. So even if it gets to that $200 million region, Kusama's market cap will just be down 96% from the all-time high. Key levels I'll be paying attention to for Kusama's market cap in this bear market. I'll be paying attention to what the market cap will do when we get to this $500 million region. That's one important level. I'll also be paying attention to what Kusama's market cap will be doing around the $1.2 billion region. And maybe, just maybe, if we're lucky in the bear market, we might see Kusama's market cap getting to as high as $1.7 billion. And if we can get above that level, Kusama is officially out of a crypto bear market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be buying more Kusama right now that we're deep in the crypto bear market? Do you think this altcoin is going to go to set new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run? What important levels are you paying attention to for Kusama in this bear market? Do you think the relief rally we're going to have in the altcoin market is going to take Kusama to as high as $200? Or are we going to dump to Goblin Town going below $23? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.